Welcome back, Mouse Quiz Squad. Today we're turning up the volume for an exciting new challenge. Guess the app logo by sound. Think your ears can recognize your favorite apps just from their signature sounds? Let's find out. First, a huge shout out to everyone supporting us in the comments. You're incredible. Want a shout out next time? Comment your name down below. Now, hit that subscribe button, turn on your volume, and let's dive right into the quiz. Listen closely. You can guess this logo. YouTube. Which app makes this sound? Right on, it's Zoom. Round 3. Pay attention. Fantastic. Discord. Here's a new challenge. Find the odd logo out. You got it. It's right here. Keep up the good work. Guess the app behind this sound. That's Angry Birds. Which logo's this? It's Messenger. Can you figure out this one? Top notch. Candy Crush Saga. Which game do you like to play more? Angry Birds or Candy Crush Saga? Tell Taco down in the comments. Moving to the next app. Bravo, that's Xbox. Who does this sound belong to? It's Duolingo. Pay attention to these cups. Where's Duolingo? Sharp eyes, you found it. Number 12. Which logo do you hear? Superb! It's Netflix. Can you name this app? It's TikTok. Which activity's more fun? Binge Netflix or scroll TikTok? Comment your answer down below. Moving on, who can guess this iconic sound? Marvelous! Roblox. Name this logo. That's FaceTime. Do you recognize this app by sound? It's Among Us. How many red imposters are there? Taco challenges you to drop the correct answer in the comments section below. Give it a try. Next up, what app comes to mind with this sound? You've got it, Viber. Guess the logo. Yahoo! That's Yahoo! Yahoo! Remember the position of all apps. Where's Among Us? Bingo! It was behind number 1. Here's another one. What app makes this sound? It's Snapchat. Which logo do you hear? Bravo! That's Uber. Can you guess the app? Amazon. Can you spot which shadow belongs to Snapchat? Bingo! It was C. What logo's this? Fantastic! That's Instagram. Remember this app? Twitter. Which one do you use more, Instagram or Twitter? Comment your pick down below. Next clues, which app is this? Well done, it's PlayStation. Can you name this logo? That's Disney Plus. Which app is this sound from? It's Plant vs. Zombie. Take a close look at this picture and find the 3 differences. Good job! Here, here, and here. Listen up! Which logo does this sound belong to? Superb! That's Clash of Clans. Guess this app. It's Subway Surfers. For the final challenge, name this logo. Tell Taco the answer in the comments. That's all for today's Guess the App logo by Sound Challenge. Great job! Get ready to keep testing your skills. Click another mouse quiz on the screen for more fun quizzes. Thanks for playing along. Taco will see you next time.